Snoring tips for a peaceful slumber. Snoring can be an embarrassing disorder to have, causing people to not want to talk about it. If snoring is making you feel self-conscious, then continue on for some great tips on how to make this problem disappear. To help stop snoring problems, try to avoid taking sleeping pills or other types of tranquilizing medication to help you rest. These sleep aids may help you feel more restful, but they also contribute to both snoring and sleep apnea. Some tranquilizers are even addictive and can cause health problems if overused. Allergy and sinus sufferers tend to suffer from snoring. This is because you have too much congestion in your nose, so you are breathing in and out of your mouth when you are sleeping. If you have sinus or allergy issues, getting them properly treated could end your snoring as well. If you regularly take prescription muscle relaxers or pain medications, you might be faced with chronic snoring. If at all possible, avoid taking these medications in the hours before you get ready for bed. These drugs cause your muscles to become more relaxed, especially in your airways. As a result, it becomes more difficult to breathe, which leads to snoring. If your snoring is growing worse, make sure that the pillow you use at night is thick enough to elevate your head. Sleeping on a pillow that does not have adequate girth will not only increase your snoring, but it will also disturb your loved ones who are trying to sleep. While it may seem strange, you should wash or replace your pillows frequently to prevent snoring. If your snoring is allergy related, your pillows, which can house dust mites, dander, and other allergens, may be the culprits. Regular laundering or purchasing fresh pillows will keep these allergens to a minimum. Alternately, try hypoallergenic cases for your pillows. At this point, you should have a better understanding of what you must do to kick this irritating habit. If you wish to overcome your snoring, you must be willing to make an effort to try different things and look for new ways to address the problem. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.